Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add quick on your Tumblr app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, clicking this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on click here, so you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you add your daily limit in here post between. So then when you're done, you just click here on shift here or here if you want to click here on pause. So then it's going to add videos. So here I have nothing in the quick, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.